Hello students. Today we're going to finish up land judging by talking about the soil amendments. So you're going to need out your scorecard, and with that scorecard you're going to look at letter D on the right hand side under part 3, and you're going to look at the field informations on the bottom left hand side. So as we look at these two, the first one is called pH. pH is how acidic or basic a item is. From physical science class you learned the pH scale goes from 1 to 14. In terms of soil and growing plants, you want the pH to be from 6.5 to 8. If it is 6.5 all the way to 8.0, you will not check number 27. If it is 6.4, you will check 27. If it's 8.1, you'll check it. If it's anywhere above 8.1, you'll check 27. If it's anywhere below 6.5, you'll check number 27. pH will be given to you in the field information notes. It's found here at the bottom, and you can write it there and then check accordingly to your boxes. The second one is nitrogen. The only time you check number 28 is if in the field given information notes you are told that it is deficient. If it is deficient, you'll come over to number 28 and you'll put a check. If it is adequate, you will not check number 28. So this one is the simplest one that there is. It tells you if you are deficient, it means you don't have enough nitrogen in your land, and you will check number 28. If it is adequate, you will not check it. Phosphorus is kind of another fertilizer, and if it is 60 or less, you will check number 29. You'll be given a number. If it is 60 or less, you will check number 29. Potassium is the same as phosphorus in that if it is a certain number, then you will check it if it is that number or less. That number with potassium is 250. So you will check number 30 if it is 250 or less. If all of them are okay, so pH is between 6.5 and 8, if nitrogen is considered adequate, and phosphorus is 61 or above, or potassium is 251 or above, then you will check number 31. All of this information is given to you in the field information notes. As an example, what we're going to give you is here. I'm going to move all this stuff up a little because it looks like it was cutting it out on the slide, so we're just going to move it up just a little, and we're going to give you an example. And so as we give you an example, for practice, if you have a pH of 6.6, a nitrogen that is deficient, a phosphorus that is 53, and a potassium that is 259. On your scorecard, you can write 6.6 down on the pH. You can circle deficient. You can write 53 on the phosphorus, 259 on the potassium, and then you can come up here and know that you check nitrogen because it's deficient. You don't check anything with pH because it's between 6.5 and 8. And you would check phosphorus because it is below the 60. You would not check any potassium. You would not check 31 because you checked 28 and 29. I hope you enjoyed this soil amendments one. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask.